Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning about the 10 most commonly used conjunctions. Let's get started. And.
Dan.
I eat and drink.
Saya makan dan minum.
But.
Tetapi.
I want to go, but I'm tired.
Saya mahu pergi, tetapi saya penat.
Or.
Atau.
Tea or coffee.
Teh atau kopi.
Because.
Kerana.
I stay because it's late.
Saya tinggal di sini kerana dah lewat.
If.
Jika.
If it rains, I stay.
Jika hujan, saya akan tinggal di sini.
When.
Apabila.
Call me when you arrive.
Hubungi saya apabila anda sampai.
While.
Sambil.
I listen while I work.
Saya dengar sambil bekerja.
Although.
Walaupun.
Although it's cold, I go out.
Walaupun sejuk, saya tetap keluar.
Until.
Sehingga.
Wait until I come back.
Tunggu sehingga saya kembali.
Since.
Sejak.
I've been here since 2026.
Saya telah berada di sini sejak tahun 2026.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.